Maui is one of the most beautiful places I have ever visited. It's a perfect combination of mountains, greenery, and beaches all around. It took me around 45 minutes of flight from Oahu to Maui, and the journey in itself was so beautiful. I stayed in Westin Resort in the Lahaina area, which is around 40 minutes from the airport. The drive is really pretty, and here's a quick room tour of the place. The resort is a perfect place to stay, but the view is spectacular. I would stay in this place once again just to enjoy this view. After spending some time at the resort, we decided to go to local Lahaina town, which is around 15 minutes from the resort. It's a beautiful town and you can easily spend a day there. We ended up going multiple towns to this resort just to have some quality time and enjoy the views. Lahaina town has some amazing restaurants and good shopping places as well. You can just stroll around this road, enjoy the view on the left, and towards your right you have all the places to spend your time. My one recommendation is Lahaina Luna Cafe for some amazing shaved ice. It was really good, and the sandwiches were good as well. On our second day, we went on the famous Road to Hana trip, and it was well worth the hype. You need an app to navigate through the full journey. We took Shaka app and it worked out pretty well for us. The first stop on your road to Hana is the PAIA town. It's a small little town and it's the best place to get your gas tanks filled up and get some lunch sandwiches packed. We got them from the Hana picnic lunch and it was really good. Please leave for the Road to Hana trip as early as possible in the morning. There is so much to explore on this full day trip. If you want, you can stay for a night at Hana, but we came back on the same day and it was pretty hectic. But it's well worth it. It's really pretty and you get to see so many different attractions including waterfalls and scenic beauty on the way.